The mounting system is one of the most important components of the solar system. It keeps the solar system safe on the roof. With which details the system providers make your life easier on the roof. You'll learn now. Welcome to the booth of SLREC. On my side, I welcome Mr. Ludwig Schletter. He is responsible for the development of the company. Mr. Schletter, SLREC introduced the fast flat last year, new, and you made some improvements now.
We always try to improve our products as well as the fast flat. We also try to do it like here. We developed a new lightning protection clamp. In this case, it's made out of stainless steel. So now you can clamp copper cable or aluminum cable as you like. You can clamp a cable with 6 mm or 8 mm or 10 mm. Also possible to mount it on the flat roof as well as the tile roofs as you like. On top of that, our flat roof system is now lightning protection proof. Only thing you have to do at the connection, you have to screw 2 screws through here and then you're done. It's lightning proof. We have also made a new shoe. In this case, it has a hole. It enables you to use cable trays or even solar anchors as you please. In the case of the cable tray, you are able to make your cables the way you want them, so it looks perfect and it's always safe. On top of that, here you are able to reduce the ballast on the roof. Sometimes the roof doesn't have the ability to have that many loads on the roof, so you are able to reduce the loads through the solar anchor, and that makes it possible to mount on every roof you have. On top of that, we also have no plasticizers in our plates, which also enables you to work with every roof.
Yeah, it's very important, and with this you can enable more roofs for the PV, and green roofs are more common now. And do you have also a solution for that?
Yes, we do also have a solution for this.
Take a look?
We take a look at it. This is our solution for the green roof. Basically, it's the same fast flat system like usually mounted on the flat roof, but in this context, we use a special shoe. It's made of stainless steel, so the green roof won't be damaged because of the material we use. We also have the ability to lay bricks underneath the green roof shoe, and that makes possible that we mount also on green roof. Very easy without any extra large parts or extra system. You just use the typical fast flat system and just adjust the green roof. You screw it here on the shoe. You also don't have to screw it. It's also like usual pre-mounted.
Yeah. Ah, okay.
Also new, we have a system for adjustment for gravel roofs. Usually when you mount gravel roofs, you have to remove the entire gravel. Then you can mount the PV, and then afterwards you can give the gravel back to the roof. But in this case, with the new solution, we have a new underlayer for the shoe. So you have just in the roof remove the gravel in this part, and then you can put the shoe there and can mount your PV system on top of the shoe. Makes it very fast. On top of that, there are also no plasticizers in here. Very important, because underneath gravel there's always foil, and so therefore very important that you take care of that, and we thought about that.
Yeah, so you are very fast with this system on gravel roofs. Yeah.
You save a lot of time overall, and this makes it a large advantage, because you save a lot of time digging the gravel.
Yeah.
And so basically you are putting yourself back to mounting PV instead of digging gravel.
Yeah. And on pitched roofs, there are some requirements not to work on tiles, and you have also a solution for this requirement.
Yeah, let's take a look at it. Now we have also for tile roofs, we have a new solution. We have now fixed plates. They are made of aluminum. In this case, it's made for the Frankfurter Pfanne, and we have a adjusted roof hook with our clamp combi, and also usually the metal behind is already pre-mounted to the plate, and you only have to use one screw to fix it. Makes it very easy, saves you a lot of time.
So this is the new solution for the ground mount.
It's now our new tracker.
Yeah.
Basically, we are able to mount 2P or 1P as you please, and also we have the possibility to move in a 90 degree. It's very important for agri-photovoltaics. Why? Because with the large machines, they have the problem that when they push through the rows and want to work with their fields, it might damage their investment, their PV modules or something like this. So we take care of that in the way that we are just setting the modules up in a 90 degree angle. So we have more space to work, and it makes your investment a lot safer. Furthermore, with our new technique, our new gearing, we have the possibility to get from a 90 degree angle to a 0 degrees within 5 minutes. Makes it very easy and very safe for you, because when you have a storm that is upcoming very quickly, you have to get in a statical optimized position very fast, so your investment also won't get damaged and won't get burnt out over time. So therefore we took care of that with our gearing. Also our gearing is self-stopping, so it only is activated with the activation of the engine. Also the engine only needs up to 35 watts, which also means in turn that we don't have a lot of power coming through the tub, and makes it very easy, very, very safe overall. And also the parts are not as used as much as others would be. So also the reliability and the time the tracker is standing through its requirements is a lot higher because of that.
Thank you, Mr. Schletter. Very detailed systems, very detailed look on the requirements. And if you want to know more about the systems of SL Rack, look on the website.